Hey cooks, it's stand mixer time. We have a brand new stand mixer in the house from VIVOHOME. This is a 6.7 quart stand mixer with 800 watts. This mixer is a really cute champagne color. So we're going to do our first look at this mixer. We're going to be unboxing it, and then we're going to do a full-on Amy Learns to Cook test and review of this mixer. So join me. Let's do our first look at the VIVOHOME stand mixer. So I love for us cooks, there's a lot of great options out there nowadays for stand mixers. I just want to thank VIVOHOME for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. There'll be links down in the description if you want to take a look at this mixer. From the pictures, I thought it looked fun, so that's why I wanted to take a look at it. So this mixer, like I said, is 6.7 quarts. It's 800 watts, and it's an all-metal mixer. So the box here said don't use a knife across. One of the problems is if you cut too deep, you can cut into the product. So Eric cut the sides for me and then taped the top. So, so I'll get the surprise. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. Ooh, I like what I see.
It's 14 pounds, so do you need help?
Let me see. Maybe I can get this out by myself. Woo! Awesome. Got some manuals here. Let's see what we have. Oh, okay. So we have a little discount code card. We have an instruction manual. Sweet. Tells you how to the operating of the mixer. Also has like a little, is this like a little cookbook? Oh, this shows like a bunch of their products. So they have a huge product line. They have, let's see, ice shavers. Sweet. They have ice cube makers. They have ice crushers, tons of different mixers. They have a whole line of mixers. Multifunction mixers with meat grinders and blenders on them. Wow. They have fryers, smokeless grills, air fryers, buffet servers. They have dehydrators. Wow, they got juicers. They got all kinds of stuff. So I'll leave the link down in the description to both this item and as well as their general Amazon store. So you can take a look at what they have to offer. They got some cool stuff. So let's see here. Nice. Nice, nice. Nice champagne-y color for the big reveal. Nice. Ta-da. Yay! I like the color. It's got a nice neutral color. This is champagne. It does come in like a light blue color. A few different options out there for you. This is pretty nifty. And first thing I see is the lever for the tilt head is on the back. Look at that. Sweet. Tilt the head up. So let's see what we have here. So this is a splash guard. We have a whisk, which is an all-metal whisk. Nice. Really nice. We have the paddle, which is also all metal. And we have a dough hook, which is also all metal. So here's our bowl. Yeah, this is a pretty big bowl. This is 6.7 quarts. The way you put the bowl on is here is obviously where the bowl goes. It has little ridges right here. So you just put the bowl in here and twist it on. So like I said, here's a little lever to raise your mixer head. Sweet. It does have a spring on the post. So we're going to go ahead and put the paddle on. We're going to lower it down. And it's got a pulse, which is really nice when you need to just mix something real quick or you want to move the paddle around. So it has a nice low 1 speed and a 2, 3, sweet, 4. Feels pretty stable. It does have suction cups on the bottom, but it's a metal mixer. The suction cups just hold it steady. Nice. So we have our guard here. The guard just pops on just like this. And hard for me to do this backwards. We're going to put the whisk on. Nice. Really nice. I like it. Really, really like it. You guys see me geeking here? Geek it just a little bit. I love these things. I think I want to geek a little bit on this. Has a unique look. It doesn't quite look like all the other stand mixers out there. It kind of has like a different shape on the neck of it, if you would. It's a lot different than this. I've seen another mixer out here that had a handle like that. It was up on the top and it had like this slat in there. And I was always afraid that if I get something down in there that I could damage the knob. This one isn't like that. It has the same cute kind of knob, but because it's just like a push down and not up here with a slot, I think that there's not really an issue with that like that other mixer had.
There's no cleanability or wear.
No. I'm pretty impressed so far. So we are going to be putting this through its paces on a full Amy Learns to Cook review. So cooks, we're going to have a great time testing this mixer out. I love to look at all options that are out there. You know, there's a lot of big brands, but sometimes you just want, you know, to chart your own course and pick your own mixer, right? So we're going to try this baby out. We're going to be using the whip to make some whipped cream, the paddle to make some cookies, and the dough hook to make some bread dough. And I'm looking forward to it. I really like the look and the feel of this mixer already. So VIVOHOME, thank you for sponsoring this video. I'll put links down to this mixer as well as their Amazon store so you can take a look at it for yourself. If you like this video, please subscribe below and join us on our journey to explore stand mixers and learn to become better cooks. Also, hit that bell so you get notified of our uploads. So leave a comment down in the description. Let me know how you like this mixer and what do you want to see with it. Also, visit my website, amylearnstocook.com, for all my recipes. And also come chat with us in my Facebook group, facebook.com/groups/amylearnstocook. Links for all my social media will be down in the description. So cooks, it's stand mixer time. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and join us as we explore this stand mixer.